Welcome back to Workplace 30. 8.3 is our very last section for this course, and we're going to start with math on the job. So here we have, there's two options in cars, one that is $29,720, which must be paid off over 4 years, or there's another car that is $266 bi-weekly for 5 years. We want to figure out which one will cost Avon less. So we already know the cost of the midsize sedan. So we do still, of the compact crossover, but we still need to find the cost of the midsize sedan. So if it's $266 bi-weekly, that means it's twice a week for the entire year. So how many payments is that in 1 year?
24.
26, because there's 52 weeks in a year divided by 2 because it's bi-weekly or every second week, which is 26. So 266 times 26 is $6,916. Now, they're paying that much over 5 years, so we also have to multiply that by 5 to get the total cost of the sedan is $34,580. So which one is more expensive, the crossover or the sedan? Which one's more expensive? The sedan is more expensive, so the answer for this one would be the crossover costs less. But however, which one has a lower monthly payment? So we know the monthly payment. Actually, sorry, we don't know the monthly payment for the sedan. So this is question 2. The sedan costs $266 bi-weekly, and that is 26 times throughout the year. So times 26, that'll bring it up to the amount it costs per year, but we need it monthly, so we also divide by 12. So times 26, because that's how many payments in 1 year, divide by 12 to get how much per month. So the sedan will cost $576.33. Then we also need to check the crossover. All we know about the crossover is that it costs $29,720 total, and that's over 4 years. So we divide that by 48 because there's 48 months in 4 years. So that is $619.17. So the lower monthly payment is the sedan. Please take a moment then to watch this buying a car video at the link posted here. So then go ahead and read Explore the Math on page 298. This Explore the Math is really key for this section, so make sure you do read it. Definitions. Lease, which is similar to renting, and residual value is the vehicle value when the lease is over. So then let's look at example 1 on page 300. Jimmy owns a small moving business and he's buying a used truck. He'll be paying cash for it. What's the total price including taxes if the purchase was $23,850, GST was 5%, and PST is 7%? So what we need to do is we need to figure out the GST, the PST, and add them all together. So GST is 5% of the original price, so $23,850 times 0.05, because we always have to write percentages in decimals to do calculations with them.
Couldn't you just go?
And then we'll do the same with the PST, so 23,850 times 7%, which gives you $1,669.50. So when we add them all together, so we add up our GST, our PST, and our total, we get $26,712.00. Now there is an easier way to do this. You'll see that 5% and 7% is 12%. So we could also take 12% of our 23,850 and add those together. Or easier yet, you could go 23,850 times it by 1.12, because that's 12% more than the original, which would also give you the same number. So those are your options. Example 2 then, page 300. we have Patrice wants to get a new ATV for racing. She can afford to make $2,000 down payment, and the purchase price is $8,340 plus 5% GST because Alberta has no PST. The monthly payment on a 3-year loan is $198.36, so calculate the total interest. So there's a lot involved here. First, we need to figure out the total price. So the price including the taxes. So $8,340 times 0.05 for the GST gives us $417. So that was the tax. So if we add up that with your original, the total price is $8,340 plus $417 to get $8,757. Now she did have, though, a $2,000 down payment. So the loan she had to take out was $8,757 minus her $2,000 down payment to get $6,757 was the amount of the loan. So now we need to figure out how much she actually paid. So she paid $198.36 for 3 years, paying monthly. So that's 12 payments every year. So when you figure that out, you find that she actually paid $7,140.96. So now what we need to do is we need to figure out the difference between what she actually paid and her loan, and that'll tell us how much interest she paid. So $7,140.96 subtract 6,757, we'll find a total of $383.96 interest. So that's your final answer. Okay, now we have a guy named Yip who lives in Regina. He is planning to lease a car, but these are the conditions. It's a 4-year term with a monthly payment of $388.94. The security deposit is $500. Delivery charge $526.57. Kilometer allowance, it's 11 cents a kilometer for every additional kilometer, so more than 24,000 kilometers a year. And at the end of the term, the car could be bought out for $12,195 because that's the residual value. So we're going to calculate the total monthly payments made over 4 years. So we know that he pays $388.94 for every month. There's 12 months in a year, and 4 years is how long he's paying this over. So when you multiply all that together, you get a total of $18,669.12 is what he paid in total. Now B, if he wants to purchase the vehicle at the end of the lease, how much will the vehicle cost? So he's already put in $18,669.12, and it's going to cost him another $12,195 to buy it out. So the total cost then of the vehicle, when it's all said and done, is $30,890.69. So that's the total cost of the vehicle if he buys it out after the lease. So for part C, if he's going to buy the car instead of leasing it, it would cost $25,785, but he would have had to take out a loan. The 4-year loan would have had monthly payments of $625.59. So if he were buying the car this way, he would have had 48 payments because, again, 12 months per year and 4 years. So his total then would have been $30,028.32. So if you would have chose to do the car this way, it would have been slightly cheaper in the long run. The difference between this and our value here, we just subtract them. So 30,000 $890.69 minus $30,028.32 means that if you're leasing it, you would have paid an extra $862.37. That's how much extra you would have paid. So here we have researched some benefits to owning and benefits to leasing. Read through these now. Mental math and estimation. You leased a car for 36 months. You save $275 per month, and the residual value of your car will be $11,500 at the end of your lease. Will you be able to buy your car at the end of the lease with the money that you saved? So if you are saving $275 for 36 months, and you'll get $9,900. So is this enough to buy out your $11,500 payment that you need at the end? No, it's not. But on the other side, it's not enough, but it's not far off. So if you had another, $1,200 on hand, you would be able to buy this out, and you paid less monthly payments the whole way through. Then you have an assignment, page 304, number 1 to 9. You can work on that now.